Bitcoin is pushing to the upside and it will continue to push to the upside until Bitcoin actually hits the 84K area and then it starts dropping back down. So I think Bitcoin is gonna go to like below 70K after hitting the 84K area. So hey there everyone, this is CryptoMorv and welcome to the video of Bitcoin LTF update. So right here, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Why do I think that Bitcoin is going back to 84K before going back down? And as you guys already know, that I have opened a long position from 74.6K, which is the exact bottom here. Exact bottom. I'm already up like $800 on the trade. So I took this trade live 2 days ago on the video. I had put the limit order and it got filled. So you can say I was a little bit lucky, but yeah, it's an important area of support. That is why I put in a limit order and it got filled and it bounced right off that area. So right here, I expect Bitcoin to go to 84K before moving lower. Why do I think that? I'm going to discuss this all in my this video. You know, so right here we can see this entire move to the downside was pretty impulsive, right? And right here you can spot a 5 wave price structure from this high to this low is the first wave. This is the second wave, and this is the third wave, and we are looking for a fourth wave to 84K. And this can change, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep it this way for now. And the fourth wave, my bad, fourth wave, should be around 84K, and the fifth wave should be around 68K. I will talk about it, but for now, you can see we have the Elliott wave, second to third. The third wave. The third impulsive wave. We can measure the Fibonacci from this high to this low, the entire third wave. We can see that the 618 level is coming exactly at this high. We have liquidity at this high with the 618 level. We can definitely come back up here and just take the liquidity, hit the 618, and then go back down. And why do I think we are gonna hit the 618 level? Since Bitcoin has like already shown a very little correction to the upside while forming the second wave, I think the fourth wave is gonna be much bigger. And for good push to the downside, we need to build some liquidity. If you remember in my yesterday's video that I said Bitcoin needs to push higher to create more liquidity to the downside to like sweep it later. Also, we have liquidity from this low, so Bitcoin has to create more liquidity in the downside. After we see a bounce, people are gonna open a long position and keep the stop orders below. And yeah, that is why I think Bitcoin is gonna push to the upside at least to 84K, fill the CME gap, and also hit the important area of resistance over there. So if Bitcoin pushed, like yesterday I said, if Bitcoin pushes to the upside, we will have liquidity forming to the downside, in the downside. So we can take this clustered liquidity later on in the upcoming few weeks. So that's my idea that Bitcoin is gonna go back down after like clustering some liquidity like below the lows. So that is why I am in my long position. Also, I'm in a long position on ETH right here. You can see from 21.95 and now it's 23.48. I'm already up almost like 1100. You can just say a rack. I'm just up $1,000 on this trade. Also 800 on the Bitcoin trade. And I got a precise entry on almost both of these. Almost both of these. Yeah. I got the precise entry on Ethereum as well, right here. So this is just experience, intuition, and the knowledge of levels. Anyway, right here we can see that Bitcoin is bouncing off from the equal low, right here. I'll just mark it over here. Which one is this? This one, yeah. So Bitcoin is bouncing off of the equal lows. So after we hit the 84k like this, and then we will finally sweep the low from 74k, and maybe we visit 70k, and then we'll see a bigger push to the upside in the upcoming days. So I'm expecting a three move over here. First, we go to 84k. Second, we go back to like 70k maybe. We'll talk about it later after we get the high right now. When we get the high at around 83, 84k, we will decide where Bitcoin can stop next. So after we hit the 84k and after we hit the like 70k after 84k, I expect Bitcoin to go back to 88k, 87k from like 70k. That would be a great trade. So as you guys can see on the liquidation heat map over here, we have liquidation at 90k. We have clustered above 90k. So that is the barrier of the bears. So I think we will take that after a while, maybe, probably not, but I don't know. I don't know, no idea. But we're definitely taking these from 84k, 84k, 85k. We're definitely taking these. After we take these, we go back down and sweep the liquidity from 74k, 73k, and then we go back up to like up to 90k. You know, just some wicks over here is enough for this. So if we go to the ETFs, you can see. Let's see if BlackRock is here. No, they're not here yet. But yeah, we can see some nice inflows without the BlackRock here. We have Fidelity buying 153, Bitwise 96. Like, it is good. I think BlackRock is gonna buy it too. So it looks good. You can see whenever the day is red, Bitwise does not buy, ARK does not buy, Invesco does not buy. It's like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And BlackRock and Fidelity sells. So since Fidelity and other bought some, BlackRock is most likely to buy some as well. So yeah, right here in the volume, like in the order profile here, we can see that buying pressure is coming and price is moving to the like upside. Like buyers are slowly taking control, but it is not enough. I think probably we'll see another push to the downside a little and then go up. Can happen. So I think we're good for now. I'm good. I'm like mm, comfortable holding this position over here, and I would like to see some volume level over here, which is the volume profile. This one right here. So we are currently trading at the value area high on the low term time frame. As soon as we break out of this, we will start moving to the upside, much like impulsively. So yeah, that's the volume profile. And also, if you want me to check the anchored VWAP, I don't think we really need that over here. But yeah, we can draw some kind of a rectangle at this level. This looks like a good support to me. Pretty good support. So bouncing off of this area is quite like normal to me. It is not surprising me at all. It is very expected, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to join our free VIP Discord group, I don't have the tab open over here. If you want to join our free VIP Discord, you can just check the link in the description. I will put the link over there. Just go there and sign up on BTCC and just deposit and trade as you already do. You don't have to do any KYC. Just deposit and trade, and you'll be part of the CryptoMorv premium Discord community. And you don't have to pay me any money. Just become a part of the community and trade as usual. You don't have to like generate a minimum amount of volume. Just trade as usual, and you're gonna be a part of the community. So that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you manage your risk. Peace.